Hi guys, welcome to Housekeeping Tips with Shar. Hope you all are keeping safe and healthy. In today's video, I will be sharing tips regarding bathroom cleaning. Here I have, this is my bleach bottle. Now, because of situation, I'm sure a lot of you cannot go out, or even if you go out, you do not want to stay long to be searching, or you cannot find what you need in case of supplies to clean, the house. Okay, what you can do, or what I do, here I have a bleach bottle here, a large bottle of bleach. I get spray bottles. If I don't have spray bottles, or if you don't have spray bottles, you can use any bottles, even something like this one here. Okay, something like this, because guess what? We're home and we're not going out there to search, and not only that, maybe we can't even get any supplies. So we want to keep our home clean, smell fresh and nice. Okay, so what I did, I pour some bleach into this bottle, and I'm gonna show you regarding, first I'm gonna put my gloves on. Okay, I'm using, you might be asking, where's the other one? Okay, I'm just using one, right? One single glove here. Okay, this is a washcloth that I'm not using. However, you have towels that you're not using at home. So remember, we cannot go and buy anything or it's not in the store. So what I'll do, I'll cut this in half. Right. Okay, I'm cutting it in half like this. Or you can do this. See? We do this. So I'm going to put half there for this, and then I'm going to use this half to clean around the toilet. What I'll do before I start, I'm going to take the mats out. Take the mats out, and I put them out. Then I'm going to spray. See? I'm going to spray. Right. I'm going to wet my cloth here. After I spray, I'm going to spray the rag, okay? We're gonna pay special attention to right here. Okay, so we're gonna clean here. See, we're gonna clean right around here. Clean it. Okay. Put it down, and we're gonna clean it like this. So we're gonna clean. Around it. Cleaning all the way around. See? I'm cleaning all the way around. See? Spray. Okay. Then I'm going to spray some more in here. And this is the brush. I already put some soap, whatever. You could put laundry detergent, whatever. Because remember, we're in, most of the stores do not have anything to clean, any cleaning supplies. So what we are doing, we are keeping our homes fresh, and we are going to use anything that will help. Okay? So, see? On the hair, wash it. See? Onto there. See? Wash it. And then, this is a spray bottle. After we spray one more time, make sure it's clean. We clean, see? We clean all. Right? We're working without all of that cleaning supply. Okay? We only have this. So we're going to use what we have. Okay? and we clean. Then I'm gonna lift this up, and I'm gonna just spray a little bleach in there, and then I'm gonna do that. So what it does, it's under here, it's gonna clean it, see? Deodorize it, look at it, okay? And you can also leave some in the tank, so it soak the tank. Right, so there we go. The basin, we're gonna spray some. We're not gonna use the same rag that we use for the toilet, okay? So we're gonna put this away. We're gonna use this, and we're gonna spray some, and we're gonna wash. See? I don't know if depends on the kind of pipe you have. So what I do, I spray a little. See? See, all these we clean down here. See? We're going to take these off. All these off. We're going to put these away. Okay, we're going to put these down. And we're going to clean. See? We're going to clean, clean, clean. So by just using, remember, this is a spray bottle with bleach. See? We have no cleaning supply. We cannot get any cleaning supply, so therefore, we need our home to be clean, smell fresh and nice. So, we are using the bleach to clean it down. See? Okay, we finished with this now. And we finish with this. What I like to do, these are paper towels that I use to dry like my dishes. What I do not throw them away. I put them away so I can have them. And what we're going to do some work on the toilet. We use it to shine these, see? Yeah, we use it to clean it, see? Okay, then we use this piece and we shine here. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna put, then this is our bin, okay? This is simple. What we do, we take this off. Let me take the gloves off. I'm taking the gloves off, okay? Then what we could do, we take this out. We make sure each time we put our bin in, whatever bin you have, it's best to put a bag in there. So this way, even if you're going downstairs or outside for a walk, you just take this out. Then there's a bag in here. We want to do it neatly, okay? Okay, this is our bag. See? Nice. We put it right there. And then these are our mats. So what we do, we shake them out. See? We shake out our mats. Then we put them there. That's our mat. And then we have a nice, clean, fresh bathroom. If you like this video, like, share, or subscribe. And you have a great day, and thanks for watching.